Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are your friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I'm back with very beautiful, very attractive fit mehndi design ideas. Guys, in this video you will see beautiful and amazing ideas of fit mehndi. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. So which you have to do, just watch this video till the end and you will get many beautiful and amazing ideas. And guys, don't skip this video, because if you skip this video then you miss many beautiful and amazing ideas. As you can see in this video, all designs are very beautiful, very attractive. So I hope you love all the designs. गाइज आज के इस वीडियो में आपके लिए पाँव की मेहंदी के डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस हैं, डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ हैं, डिफरेंट स्टाइल के साथ। उम्मीद है आपको तमाम डिज़ाइंस, तमाम आइडियाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगे। तो अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं और आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और साथ ही बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। गाइज आपको मेरे चैनल पे मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के आइडियाज़ के साथ साथ ट्यूटोरियल्स भी मिलेंगे। अगर आप मेहंदी लगाना सीखना चाहती हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल के ट्यूटोरियल्स के थ्रू इजीली मेहंदी लगाना सीख सकती हैं। आपको डिफरेंट टाइप के मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के ट्यूटोरियल्स मिलेंगे जिनसे आप इजीली मेहंदी लगा सकती हैं, और साथ ही आपको डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ मिलेंगे। तो अगर आपको मेहंदी लगाना आती है लेकिन आपके पास आइडियाज़ नहीं होते तो आप डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ ले सकती हैं मेरे चैनल्स के थ्रू। तो इस चैनल को विजिट ज़रूर कीजिएगा और साथ ही इस चैनल के लिंक को शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, रिलेटिव्स के साथ और स्पेशल उन लोगों के साथ जिनको मेहंदी लगाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। So if you have any knowledge about making mehndi, then you can make these types of beautiful mehndi on their face themselves by getting many ideas, many hints, many designs from this video. All designs are very beautiful, very stylish. So guys, whatever your choice, just try this video, select the design and then try to it. All designs are very beautiful, very attractive. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. And you will get many ideas, many hints from my videos. So don't miss any video and watch my videos till the end for getting beautiful and amazing ideas that I have uploaded only for you, with the hope that my ideas is very useful for you. And in this video you will find different designs of it mehndi with different style also. So I hope you love all the designs and this collection is very useful for you. So guys, if you're loving all the beautiful and amazing ideas of it mehndi, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification and you'll never miss any video and any collection on my channel. Guys, you can also tell me in comment section how was the video, was the design which you want to see on my channel, so that I can upload my next videos according to your choice and demand also, because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me and I always try to bring a useful collection for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Guys, I need your help, so please help me, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. So see you soon in next videos with new amazing and trendy ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers and please support me for sharing my videos with your friends, relatives. Allah Hafiz.